My heart will not be still. It is trapped in his noose. If it does not perish in this passion, it is because of the Master's grace. His pain is the real cure. Heartache and burning has no end. If the burning continues, it is because of the Master's grace. O Lord, make me more of a lover. Make me give up my intellect. Do believe me. If I am sincere, it is because of the Master's grace. I do not seek drunkenness. I have nothing in hand. If I do not possess any existence, it is because of the Master's grace. I shall throw out wisdom and begin madness. If I succeed to destroy alienation in the world, it is because of the Master's grace. I am afflicted with pain and have given up my heart, not concerned with anything. In short, if I have lost myself, it is because of the Master's grace. I am a poor, wretched soul in love with pain and calamity. If I am afflicted with his pain, it is because of the Master's grace. His love is the hope of my soul. It brings comfort to the heart and is my refuge. If my heart knows none other than him, it is because of the Master's grace. If my heart has leapt up, flown away, and found peace in his sky, it is because of the Master's grace. If my heart wanders in his district to see his beautiful face, and is in constant desire for him, it is because of the Master's grace. I am both candle and moth. I am both treasure and ruin. If I am a stranger to myself, it is because of the Master's grace. I am a beggar of his love, calling his name day and night. If I keep talking about his beauty, it is because of the Master's grace. The fire of the heart is a light, burning the ego away. And if it seals my lips, it is because of the Master's grace. I seek none other than him. If he looks on me for a moment, I become the life bestower of both the sun and the moon. But this too, I know, is because of the Master's grace.